completely 4 BHK tower.
हाँ, it's looking like a Vatica 7 lamps also.
7
जो उसका पावर वाला टावर है. ग्रीनरी बहुत ही अच्छी मेंटेन्ड है, मतलब
वाटिका
it looks
में अगर कोई ग्रीनरी ना दे तो फिर
हाँ, मतलब अभी मैं ऑफिस भी गया था तो इवन जो ग्लास वाला पार्ट है वो भी कंप्लीट हो गया और अंदर तो
फायर एनओसी भी ऑब्टेन कर लिया हम लोगों ने.
हाँ, आई थिंक लीजिंग में तो दे आर मास्टर्स. बैम्बू ट्रीज दे आर अगेन द मास्टर्स. यहाँ पे नहीं, वाटिका ट्रायंगल भी जब कोई आता था तो देयर दिस बेसिक वुडन वर्क एंड देयर ग्रीनरी इज अटमोस्ट, इसीलिए लीजिंग इज नेक्स्ट लेवल.
किसी भी प्रोजेक्ट में अगर आप जाएंगे तो सेम ही चीज़ मिलेगी. तो
एनवायरो तो इन हाउस कंपनी है.
हमारे लिए सबसे बड़ा माइलस्टोन ये है कि और डेवलपर्स भी आउटसोर्स करते हैं,
इंक्लूडिंग DLF.
इंक्लूडिंग DLF.
So sample is on second floor.
Sample is on second floor, 3 and 4 BHK samples.
Okay. And lift कौन सी है? Thyssen
Pro.
Okay. So its total is 7th is the top.
7th is the top. So basically 6th floor पे penthouse है.
Okay.
6th and 7th is the duplex.
And 2 level basement.
2 level basement.
मतलब 7th floor के लिए भी हुए 2 level. It's इवन यहाँ पे भी जो क्रॉस वेंटिलेशन का है, मतलब इमरजेंसी स्टेयर्स है.
And 2 fire stairs है. एक emergency हो गई, एक regular stair हो गई और एक fire हो गई. This one is regular stair.
ओके. एंड ये क्या है, मतलब दिस इज
सर बहुत ही अच्छी चीज़ है, VRV balcony है.
ओके.
तो जिसमें आपको मैं से बताता हूँ, यहाँ पे हमारा VRV ऑलरेडी ऑपरेशनल है.
ओके.
आउटडोर यूनिट रहती है VRV की,
हाँ.
वो यहाँ प्लेस होती है,
ओके.
पार्ट ऑफ अ यूनिट.
ओके. सो दिस कैन बी लिटिल बिलोंग्स टू दिस फ्लैट.
दिस बिलोंग्स टू दिस फ्लैट ओनली सर.
ओके. ओके. वो गार्डनिंग अपना कुछ भी करना चाहे
नहीं
लेकिन
सर, VRV है, कंप्लीटली VRV. AC की आउटडोर यूनिट रहती है.
नहीं, वो तो आई नो, बट VRV भी वुड बी प्लेस्ड.
नहीं, ये आपका सरफेस पे प्लेस है.
ओके. अच्छा. ओ, इट्स सच अ बिग VRV.
तो सारे आपके जो यूनिट्स हैं, सिंगल आउटडोर यूनिट.
ओके. एंड दिस इज अ सर्वेंट क्वार्टर.
सर्वेंट क्वार्टर.
ओके. इट आल्सो ओपन.
यूटिलिटी से अटैच्ड है आपकी किचन यूटिलिटी से.
अच्छा, it is attached with
हाँ.
kitchen back side. So this is the size of 3500.
यस सर.
Italian marble.
Imported marble, wooden flooring in all bedrooms.
Even living dining area is quite big.
सर ऐसा लेआउट आपको इस पूरे सेक्टर में कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. इनफैक्ट DLF लोग बात करते हैं,
उससे spacious है ये.
सर काफ़ी.
Even ceiling height is also good.
सीलिंग हाइट इज 3.3 मीटर्स.
Approximately 10.5 feet.
11.5.
11.5. Amazing. And back side में you have the Dower Hotel,
यस.
studio apartment, the mall, and Oris SCO. And this is DLF team primer. Sorry. अच्छा, बाउंड्री पे भी पूरा का पूरा ये just put the trees and plantations. अब वो फिक्स होगा, ये मूवेबल होगा मे बी. दिस इज कॉमन फॉर टिल टॉप.
टिल टॉप. यस.
ओके.
दिस इज द डाइनिंग एरिया. डाइनिंग एरिया में हमने फ्रंट बालकनी दी हुई है बेसिकली.
ओके.
एंड बेस्ट थिंग इज ऑल यूनिट्स आर फेसिंग टू द ग्रीनरी.
सो एक बार इस मॉडल पे भी बताएंगे कौन कौन से टावर्स हैं, कौन कौन सा फेसिंग है.
सर
कीप इट द लाइट ओपन मे बी.
So this is total 7.5 acres site. जो मैं आपको 0.5 acres बोला था.
Okay.
Additional हमने बाकी तरफ लिखा है.
ओके.
ठीक है सर. 5 towers इधर हैं, 5 towers इधर हैं. टोटल 10 towers हैं.
ओके.
ठीक है सर. नॉमेनक्लेचर ऐसा है. A tower is the highest one, ground plus 27.
ओके.
This is ground plus 23.
आई थिंक high-rise buildings. Okay. So this. So only two high-rise building basically.
Only 2 high-rise buildings.
Okay.
All are 2 to 4.
Okay.
8 acres, 220 apartments.
Very low density.
Very low density.
And the parks also, the big park.
Yes.
So the sizes are 2800 and 3500,
3500.
3.5 and 4.5 only.
3.5 BHK, 4.5 BHK and penthouses on top.
Connectivity wise?
Connectivity via 60 meter road over there and 24 meter road जो आपका प्राइमस फेसिंग रहता है.
अच्छा ओके, ये प्राइमस वाला ही रोड है, मतलब टाउन स्क्वायर के बराबर वाला.
ये प्राइमस वाला रोड है सर. इस यहाँ से राइट लेते ही 24 मीटर वाइड रोड आ जाती है.
ओके ओके ओके. तो ये वो अंदर गुरुद्वारे वाला रोड होगा जो टर्न लेके.
हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी.
Okay.
गुरुद्वारे के लिए जो राइट टर्न लेते हैं 24 मीटर वाइड रोड होती है वहाँ से.
ओके, तो टाउन स्क्वायर से पहले ही कट लेके सीधा ही बैक साइड वाला रोड है.
बट जब 60 मीटर पे रोड एक्सेस दिखता है तो कोई बैक साइड से आएगा. बट हाँ, इन फ्यूचर जब ये पूरा सेक्टर थ्रू हो जाएगा, इंटरनल रोड सारी आपकी थ्रू हो जाएगी तो लोगों को काफ़ी कन्वीनियंट रहेगा.
रेंटल वैल्यू भी काफ़ी अच्छा होगा देन. तो
काफ़ी ज़्यादा हो चुका.
the green area of Vatica is again the USP with the very big balconies. And the person sitting in the balcony at the lower floor enjoy the full green view.
दैट इज आवर क्लब हाउस. इसका भी काम चल रहा है. एक बार सिविल वर्क इसका कंप्लीट हो जाता है.
इसका हाइट कितना है टावर्स का?
ग्राउंड प्लस 27, ग्राउंड प्लस 23.
ओके, 27 वाला ए है.
8 hours 27,
Okay.
8 hours 23.
ओके, एंड बोथ आर 2 to the court.
Both are, all towers are 2 to 2.
Okay, yeah, and having only the size of 3500.
35.
And the smaller size having also both the sides of unit 2800 and 3500.
Yes.
In rest other towers.
Yes.
C, D, E, F, G,
C, D, E, F, G, H.
I, J, K.
I नहीं है जो हमारी
Okay. Living dining area is too spacious. This is the kitchen. Kitchen you are giving.
Kitchen आपकी modular रहती है with chimney and hob. Two side open.
Okay. But why you are keeping it open the two side? Any particular reason?
Design sir.
If someone would like to, मतलब close it also permanently, तो they also
they
can do
can
it.
also do that. Also अगर किसी को
अच्छा, मेड वगैरह कोई आ रही है तो they can come and directly.
कम ओवर या मेड अगर आपके इन हाउस रह रही है तो यूटिलिटी से कनेक्टेड है.
Okay. हाँ, मतलब कोई डाइनिंग टेबल पे बैठा है तो they
हाँ.
can't see maid coming inside.
Correct.
Okay.
हाँ सर.
This is the utility. Upper cabinet, lower cabinet, chimney and hob. So 4 bedrooms.
4 bedrooms.
This is also the bar area or the
bar
puja area.
puja area, whatever.
Or a come of study kind of also you can put the table and chair also.
Correct. So starting with this bedroom.
Okay.
This is the guest bedroom.
Okay.
इसमें आपका shared washroom होता है.
Okay, for guest also.
Yes. Only this bedroom has the shared washroom. Rest all are connected.
Okay. And fittings are
Fittings आपकी सैनिटरी फिटिंग्स विद ग्लास पार्टीशन रहती है. आज के टाइम पे हम लोग
Okay.
और अमेरिकन स्टैंडर्ड करके देते हैं अक्रॉस
Okay.
सोवरेन कॉन्सेप्ट.
Okay.
एंड ऑल बेडरूम हैज
wooden flooring.
floorings along with AC fittings.
Okay. AC will be of.
LG.
Okay.
We have the AC. LG.
Okay. And French window in
Yes.
the guest bedroom. The room size is tentatively
Sir, this is approximately 11 by 13.
11 by 13. Huh? It is looking huge.
Yes.
So the marble will remain in entire area.
Living dining imported marble only.
Okay. And in bedrooms all are the wooden flooring.
Yes, all are wooden flooring.
This is the second bedroom
This is second bedroom.
having only the again the French window.
Yes, yes.
Okay. तो ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन नहीं है बेसिकली कोई भी. आपका अगर ये वाला भी है तो भी आपका ग्रीन का व्यू है डायरेक्ट फ्रॉम द बालकनी.
Correct.
सो इट इज़ गुड टू हैव द क्लियर व्यू. और सनलाइट तो आएगी मॉर्निंग की.
सारे अपार्टमेंट्स में आपके साथ.
Right. Sitting on your bedroom and watching this green view,
Correct.
it's amazing. अच्छा ये तो already fixed नहीं है. There are the slider windows also.
These are slider windows.
और ज़्यादा height भी नहीं है टावर की, तो it is also
Ground plus 7. Ground plus 7, those are ground plus 27 and 23, and the front one is ground plus 11.
okay. Okay. So we phase 2 and phase 3 are open for sale.
Yes.
Phase 1 is completely sold out.
Phase
And,
1 is completely, though we have bit like 2-3 units in hand.
okay. And what is the ticket size of those and sizes of those are also 2800 and 3500?
Yes, same layout, same sizes,
Okay.
all phases.
And they are ready to move in, so the person can do the down payment and immediately shift.
Yes, immediately.
Okay.
This is master bedroom 2. We have given the space
For the wardrobe. Okay. Room sizes are very spacious. Very spacious.
So Vatica is known for their 3Ls.
Okay.
Layout, low density and location.
Okay.
I'm sure-
And leasing also.
And leasing. This is the 4th plan.
Okay,
And
this is the most-
master bedroom one.
Okay, so we have the concept of 2 master bedroom
Master
basically.
bedroom, yes.
In 2 bedrooms you have the separate wardrobes closet.
Yes.
Okay, great. वेंटिलेशन का तो बहुत ही अच्छा ध्यान रखा है.
Correct.
इसकी बालकनी वुड बी ह्यूज आई थिंक.
Yes.
Yes. It is a huge 5 feet balcony and having a length of tentative 6 feet tentatively or maybe more. So all the neighbors can have the interaction. In case they want to have share the cup of coffee, they use the drones
Correct.
for these. And सबसे बड़ी बात कोई भी टावर एक दूसरे से हिंडर नहीं है. So no tower can.
Intact है sir.
And view भी मतलब every bedroom balcony, master bedroom balcony faces the green, the central green.
Every master bedroom plus living dining hall, living balcony, living room balcony.
Okay. The horticulture is literally amazing. And what is the ticket size of the inventory which are available in the Sovereign Park Phase 1 tentatively?
Sovereign Park.
Sovereign next, Sovereign next Phase 1.
Sir, if you talk about 3 BHK, that will cost you around 5.25 CR.
2800 wala.
$2,800.
Okay. And the 4-bedroom cost 6 point something.
Yes.
Okay. And it is immediately ready. Anyone can shift it in the next.
6 months. Next 4 to 6 months.
Okay, 4 to 6 months for the handover and the position.
Yes.
So tentatively they get the payment plan like 50-50.
50, or if someone is comfortable, like to pay 70 or 80% upfront, then we are okay with that as well.
Okay. And since it's ready, so the person can take the bank loan also.
Bank loan.
Okay. They can apply and get it post RERA. No, it's very low. मतलब it's I think one of the lowest density product in this area.
So lowest and all. So this one is 4 BHK.
Okay.
I'll show you 3 BHK as well. One floor has 2 apartments. In phase 2, if you talk about F, G and JK tower,
Okay.
they both have same floor plan, 3 BHK and 4 BHK on the floor.
Okay.
And if you talk about high-rise tower, A and B, all the floor has completely 4 BHK tower except the ground floor.
Okay.
Only ground floor in those tower we have 3 BHK layout.
So this is a layout for 2800 square
Yes.
feet. A huge living dining area and the same servant quarter.
And we are balcony.
हाँ, PRV balcony.
Part of the unit.
This is a great foyer area also at the entrance. Again, even this is the time approximately 4:30, but you can see the sunlight inside your apartment. The living dining area view is also green. You can enjoy the cup of coffee while sitting on the balcony and having a cup of coffee. So 2 unit per floor is what a definition we call luxury, because most of the developer made 3 to the core or 4 to the core, but this entire project has only 2 to the core units, so that's define a sheer luxury. The size of living and dining area is also very spacious. So, and the kitchen is also huge. In this side only one. Acha, is this also?
Both sides.
Okay. Because if someone is close this wall, they can put a completely elevate this, but this and they need a fridge also, no?
Yeah.
There's a place for fridge. So kitchen भी आप modular दे रहे हैं.
Modular with chimney and hob.
Upper cabinet, lower cabinet, and here is a place for the chimney and hob.
So if you notice, आपको यहाँ पे around 4.5 feet walkable space मिलता है.
Okay. And this balcony is attached with your servant quarter, and it is also a little covered. Balcony भी काफी बड़ी है इसकी utility की.
Yes.
And this is your utility. And this is DLF Primus, your neighborhood, and the Dabur Studio Apartments. Plus, just the mall is 2 to 3 minutes away, which is a Vista Spire. It is just a 2 minute away from your project. This is the direct 84-meter road coming directly from the highway. The first flyover after toll, direct connectivity. And see the greenery. So, next level of greenery. Even at the backyard are also made too green. We are sitting. मतलब कोई भी किचन की बालकनी से कभी भी किसी भी प्रोजेक्ट में यू डोंट हैव द ग्रीन व्यू. वो बिल्कुल आखिरी कॉर्नर में होती है किसी भी प्रोजेक्ट के, बट from here you have the kitchen balcony also, even the better view somewhere. The more open, clean, the chirping of birds, and सामने the tallest tower Raheja Revanta of Gurgaon. About to hand over.
Yes. And don't forget, sir, we have Vatika commercial project, Vatika Town Square next to our project.
Sapphire Mall is also closed.
Sapphire Mall is also closed. And National Highway is right there.
हाँ.
It's just 100 meters walk.
You are just on the highway. A little backside so that the traffic of the highway won't hamper you with this green belt. The neighborhood hotel, the neighborhood mall, the neighborhood DLF, and Vatika city center also is in the close proximity. The another commercials of Vatika, the Vatika Market Walk, and the Vatika Vilante will also be in the close proximity. So the shopping is not the big trouble for the shopaholics and the people who want to enjoy. See, this is the huge dining area. You can having maximum of 8-seater dining table also here in this, and see the area for the drawing room. You can put a big sofa set of 8-seater or 12-seater as per your own requirement, with the proper ventilation, proper facing of the landscape green part. Again, you have a foyer for the study, come bar, come the office table, or come the puja or mandir, whatever you would like to make it. And this is the first bedroom. It is connected with the common washroom, so your guests can also use it without disturbing anyone inside the bedroom. The engineered wooden flooring will be a part of the specification. The AC would be a part of the specification. And this room also has a very big balcony. Again, the connected balcony in both the bedrooms, but it is quite big till here. And this balcony also enjoys the same pathways. तो पूरा jogging track बना रखा है. It's end to end jogging track at the back side. So with a dense green.
1.5 kilometers.
मतलब आपका मॉर्निंग वॉक ही यू कैन डू इट हेयर विद ऑलरेडी अ वेरी वेल मैनेज्ड हॉर्टिकल्चर. इट इज़ ऑल्सो कनेक्टेड विद द सेकेंड बेडरूम. सो बोथ द bedrooms, oh, this is a master
bedroom.
You can see the dimensions of this master bedroom. It is huge, having a very separate area for the wardrobes and very well ventilation window. This is also the ventilation, and this is also the side window given for the ventilation. And you have a very beautiful washroom with a glass partition also attached with your master bedroom. So you can see the depth of your master bedroom. This is the wardrobe area, and this would be the bedside area. Again, proper ventilation, proper sunlight. Even at this time around 5 p.m. in the evening, you don't have any problem of ventilation and sunlight in the entire apartment.
This is the third bedroom.
This is the third bedroom, having again the same washroom attached with the glass partition. And this is again the French window, which you can open it also, I think, for the ventilation. And again, down from window, you have the beautiful plants and the horticulture. So you can hear the sound of birds while sitting in your bedroom and enjoy the natural air quality inside your bedroom. Again, the balcony is quite spacious. You can have your stuff, and it also faces the backside, also faces the green area, a very good horticulture plantation. And this side of the balcony faces direct the park area, or one of the park of the project of Vatika Sorvan Next, sector 82A in the Millennium City, Gurgaon. Plus the, yes, you can see the sun also, and a proper sunlight. So the senior citizen, for the old parents which needs a sunlight, does not have any problem inside this project. A very great ventilation, a proper sunlight, and a huge spacious layout of the entire project. A foyer is also too big of this project, which makes it worthy for investment. Also great internal rental also, and for end use also. So again, the Vatika all properties would be maintained by Enviro.
Yes. All Vatika across the town, Enviro is the one who manages the property. And one more thing I forgot to mention, that sir, we are giving 2 car parking in each apartments.
Okay.
Be it 3, 4 penthouse, 2 car
Okay.
parking by default. Those all comes with 2 car parking.
So this is the stretcher lift for the shifting of your luggage, and there are 2 lifts.
Yes. Basement. Basement.
Because 2 basement are more than sufficient for 220
220 units.
220 units. This is the reception area basically, where the guard would be there to take care of whosoever is entering and exiting the lobby. Even you have external and internal both sides of jogging track, no?
Yes, sir.
And it is a zero vehicle movement.
Zero vehicle movement inside the project. And one more thing, towers entry and exit. We have given 2 entry exits in the tower,
Front and back.
front and back.
Okay. That is earlier the concept of ATS, front lobby, back garden. It's easy for even the maid, servant, everyone to commute in shade. for different towers. Otherwise, गर्मी में तो they used to travel with the basement to basement. You know. So इसका lobby कुछ अलग है. I think this lobby has a little bigger.
सर लॉबी इनका जो है मेन फ्रंट अगर आता है तो फेस करता है टुवर्ड्स क्लब हाउस.
Okay.
Yes. So right now I'm taking to the back side of the building, but internally आपको मैं फ्रंट से व्यू दिखाता हूँ क्या होता है. बेसिकली प्रीमियम टावर्स हैं तो इनकी जो फेसिंग है वो भी हमने क्लब हाउस की तरफ ही दी है.
You see the lobby is too big, double height also for that of the tower A. I think so. Maybe.
नहीं सर डबल हाइट है. अभी
है
आप
ना?
जाके देखेंगे तो आपको आइडिया लगेगा.
This would be the most premium tower.
Yes.
The people were called कि भाई मेरी lobby में ही आ जाओ क्या क्लब में जाना है.
सर तो सामने आप जो देख रहे हैं दैट इज आवर टाउन स्क्वायर वन
हाँ, I know.
नेक्स्ट टू द प्रोजेक्ट.
पहले वाटिका का ऑफिस यहीं पे होता था.
हाँ राइट. सेकंड फ्लोर पे.
सेकंड फ्लोर पे, फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे राइट. ये टेरेस से पूरा पीछे दिखता था तब दिस प्रोजेक्ट वाज अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन.
यस. रिसेंटली वो वाला पेंट हाउस गया था तो अभी मूवमेंट का काम चल रहा है. शिफ्टिंग का ऊपर लेबर लगी.
So these already have been shifted.
हाँ वहाँ पे लोग शिफ्ट होना स्टार्ट करते हैं. अराउंड 25 to 30 फैमिलीज आर currently staying in this project.
So we are going currently in tower B.
Tower B.
The lobby is a little larger.
Yes. तो थोड़ा सा अभी
कोई नहीं, that is fine.
वहाँ से आपका एंट्री.
अच्छा
वहाँ पर बना हुआ है.
हाँ
सर एक काम करते हैं पहले आपको यहाँ 4 BHK वाला इधर का सैंपल दिखा देते हैं. then वहाँ पे कवर.
This sample is almost same what we saw there, or the layout is different?
Layout is different in high-rise tower.
These are the emergency staircases.
Yes.
So yes, its servant is also bigger.
So we are working on sample room.
Okay.
So you will see a lot of labor movement.
Yes, the lobby is a little bigger.
Yes.
Lobby is double height.
Double-sided lobbies, both are facing towards the clubhouse. This will be the clubhouse.
Okay. Yes, the lobby of both the towers are a little big, having the green carpet. Okay. It is connected with kitchen. Lock, I think. Acha, this is Vatika Market Walk. That is received the OC. So this entire township is called Vatika India Next. And this is the most luxury project of the Vatika India Next.
So this is 700 acres township sir. So हमने multiple projects deliver किए.
This is the kitchen, fully done up, upper cabinet, lower cabinet, chimney hob. This is the living dining area with BRB air conditioning.
तो यूनिक चीज आपको हाई राइज में ये मिलती है. लार्ज wraparound balcony.
This is a unique. This is a very unique thing. It's a very big balcony. And this is same in both the towers A and B.
A and B both towers we are same.
The balcony is very big.
Correct.
So this is the L-shaped balcony in the entire project in the living and dining area, I think, till the top. So does they have the penthouse also, or only the apartments?
We do have penthouse in both the tower, A and B tower.
And what is the size of the same tentatively?
Approximately 65, in between 65 to 55 to 6500 square feet.
Okay, okay. It is a very good balcony. Amazing. Very huge living and dining area. If you open the both balconies, your party area would be increased. You can serve the snacks and everything in the balconies also. So again the same concept of 4 bedroom.
Yes.
This is again almost the same as we saw. This is the common washroom, again the same. The first bedroom, which we saw earlier with the French window, it is almost same which we saw there in the lower side.
Yes.
This is again second bedroom which we saw earlier with wooden flooring, and again have the French window. This French window again open to the kids play area and the center green garden. So you will get the wooden flooring, Italian marble, and the air conditioning of LG. This is also the wardrobe area. I think.
Wardrobe area, yes.
Washroom size is also decent. The ventilation is decent. Ceiling height काफी अच्छी है.
Ceiling height बहुत अच्छी है. Sovereign के हमारे सारे projects अगर आप देखते हैं.
Also the same type of tiles.
This is tiles, yes. Textured wooden tiles.
Okay, having a wooden
Textured tiles.
texture. And again, from this balcony also you have the green view. Means two parks of every side have some view, and the ventilation also. Since the density is very low, so the chances of you to get the president of the society is also very high. The RWA would also be small. एंड सबसे अच्छी बात है वाटिका की कि सारी सोसाइटीज़ में जो सुपरविजन है एनवायरो का, दैट मेक्स द मेनर कंट्रोल ऑफ द सोसाइटी इज इन द हैंड ऑफ वाटिका.
This is the master bedroom.
So this also has the wardrobe closet area
Yes.
and the washroom. It also has another window for the ventilation, and it is also
These all high-rise tower की अगर आप बात करते हैं, सारे के सारे यूनिट्स आपके 3 साइड ओपन आते हैं.
because 2 to the core हो गया ना.
Two to the core.
And L-shaped balcony is literally amazing. So मतलब on a one flat you have 2 gardens. One
and
is front of your another bedroom, and the back is also at the another bedroom. So
This is the second exit with 24 meter.
I think it is close to Gurudwara.
Yes. गुरुद्वारा straight लेके right लेंगे तो गुरुद्वारा.
So for the pujas and all that, it is also very well connected. The first entry is with the town square one,
60 meter.
60 meter wide road, 84 meter.
84 meter.
And the second entry, or you can call it the exit, is near the Gurudwara road or near the DLF Primus. So this project is definitely worth investing. Anything more which you'd like to add for this project?
I think we have covered pretty much everything.
Okay. So within a year, I think they will hand over this entire project, I think. So
Within a year, yes, correct. Both two towers within a year, and then simultaneously we will be delivering, we will be handovering these all units which are currently sold out. Like many of them are sold out.
yeah. On the top, you have the duplex penthouses,
Yes,
basically.
yes. All the towers have the duplex windows on top.
Okay, great, great.